Hi guys, welcome to my channel Electronics, where we learn how to do stuff with our devices. Now today we are going to learn how to send large files for free. Now gone are the days where we used to send files using pen drives, where we have to copy the file onto a drive and then move all the way to where the person is before the person can receive those files. But these days with technology, it's much easier. Now let's go straight into our tutorial. To send large files to someone, now we are going to use wetransfer to do this. You can either use the web version or the app from either the Play Store or the App Store. So when you launch your browser, then you can go to the URL wetransfer.com. Okay, so let's wait. That was a mistake. wetransfer. Okay, so wetransfer.com, and yes, so we are there. So now we have to enter a recipient's email and a sender email. So the recipient's email will be the one receiving the document. So let's say test@gmail.com, and then the sender email will be the one sending the document. All right, and then the title of your mail can be test files, and then the message attached to it. So now let's upload our file. You can either drag and drop your file here, or you can click on upload files and then you can upload your file. All right. So now let's transfer our large file. So we are using the free version of wetransfer. So with the free version, you can send up to 2 GB of files, whereas with the pro version, which is a paid version, you can send over 200 GB of files. So now let's send our file. Okay, so you will receive a verification to the sender's email. So I have to access the verification code. So now let me access the verification code. I have it here on my phone. 650610. All right, so let's verify. Okay, so the file is sending, it's in progress. So when it's 100%, the receiver is going to get an email with a link to download the file. So let's wait for our files to transfer at 100%. Now when you are done, you can copy the link over here, and then you can send it to whoever you want to receive the file, either WhatsApp or whatever means. But then the file has already been sent to the person's email, so the person can download via the email. An alternative way is to copy the link and then send to the person via any other means like WhatsApp, Twitter, wherever. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.